Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 25th anniversary collector's edition Hot Wheels. We have the Twin Mill with the matching collector's button. And this is from 1992. These Hot Wheels include most of these features: low friction mag wheels, red stripe slicks, customized engine parts, moving parts, pipes, and power bulges. Well, I think with this one we just have rolling wheels, so I don't think it has all those frills. Let's get it open, see what we're dealing with. Got this from my buddy Matt a couple of years ago, actually. It's been till now since I wanted to open one. Collectible button. There's the back, it goes on your shirt like that. And the sticker's already coming off. Put that right there for now. There's a little protector there. Remove that first. A little grungy look there on the what's supposed to be chrome mags. Paint job looks nice, but the chrome on the mags look like it's a little worn. Huh. I don't see any steering wheel in there, just that stick shift. The engine parts are plastic. Metal on metal, which is cool. And the date there is 1969 for the first time that casting was released. All plastic there, all plastic there. Feels like it's going to be a good roller. It's nice and heavy, the wheels roll smooth. Let's see how it works on the track. Whoa! Nice flip. That's frontwards. Backwards has that crash thud. I like frontwards. Oh, nice flips. Let's see. That would be cool if I can get it to land on its wheels. Maybe go a little slower. And it's always landing on its top. Oh, almost. Thanks to everybody that tuned in and checked it out. Thank you, Matt Cox, for the car. He actually gave me two other colors also. We did a trade. As always, please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.